Nick, being autistic, wasn't talking much. So when he would be interested in something, we would talk about that so that he would develop language. And he liked cats. He liked my older sister's cat, Norton. And we would talk about what his cat would look like. And it was a black cat with green eyes with a little bit of white on it. That was a boy cat, and his name was Seal. So we found Seal miraculously quite quickly after my husband agreed to a cat. And the very day that Seal came home, September 20th, Nick was talking to the cat. And it was really wonderful that he would be doing language. And then later on, when Seal got sick and needed his teeth taken out, my son felt empathy for something that was hurt and something outside himself, and he cried, which is the silver lining to that. It wasn't about not getting something he wanted. So that was a wonderful thing, and he's been a wonderful addition to our family, and everybody loves him, and he gets along with the dog, which is good. So anybody who's wants to think about getting a pet for their autistic child to help develop language and empathy, I'm like, go for it. It worked in my house.